Sanibel Island, a place where time slows, nature thrives, and memories are made. Its beauty has drawn dreamers, adventurers, and families for generations. But like nature itself, this paradise has faced challenges, enduring the forces of hurricanes that have tested its strength. But Sanibel's story is not just one of endurance, it's one of resilience. Through every challenge, our community has come together, united by love for the island and its treasures, neighbors helping neighbors, businesses reopening, and visitors returning to lend their support. It's all part of rebuilding stronger, smarter, and more beautiful than ever. Every visit to Sanibel is more than just a getaway. It's an act of support for our recovery. The businesses you love, restaurants, boutiques, and nature tours are here, ready to welcome you back. Together, we're breathing life into the island we cherish. Come for the beauty, stay for the community. Be part of the story as Sanibel Island rises stronger than ever. Your visit makes all the difference.